guys, this is Leone down here at Orlando Harley Davidson Historic Factory. This week's Bike of the Week is going to be the Harley Davidson 2019 Iron 883. This motorcycle comes in 6 different color options, this being the denim black. This bike is also going to come with a 19-inch black 9-spoked machine polished wheel in the front and a 16-inch wheel in the rear. This bike's going to have a 59-inch wheelbase. It's going to allow you to really get into those turns. Comes with the black headers and black exhaust to give you that real mean look when you're going down the highway. And also the mid pegs. It's going to make for a very comfortable ride as you're going down the road. You can take this bike anywhere you want. It's great for starters or for the long-time rider. Come see us down at Orlando Harley.